Allow yourself to arrive on the surface, noticing the contact of your head on the books, the back on the floor, and the feet on the floor. Throughout this audio talk, there will be periods of intentional silence, and this is to allow your mind and body to digest the information. Start by doing a quick scan through your body. Releasing the neck, the jaw, the facial muscles, muscles around the eyes, the temples, the tongue, the front of your neck, the back of your neck, into your shoulders, softening between the collarbone and allowing the shoulder blades to melt onto the floor. Releasing the shoulder blades, the shoulders, into the elbows, the wrist, and into the fingers. Allow your whole back to melt and soften onto the floor, including your gluteal muscles and all the muscles surrounding your hip joints. The knees are pointing up towards the ceiling. And having the support of the feet on the floor. Take a notice of the contact of your feet on the floor. Is your weight evenly distributed between the heels of the feet and the balls of the feet? Notice if you may be scrunching your toes. Allow the heels to move away from the toes into expansion. Now come into the Alexander directions, allowing your neck to be free for the direction to come forwards up into your face, and to the top of your head, so that the whole back can lengthen and widen. The knees are pointing up towards the ceiling and having the support of the feet on the floor. Make sure that you're just thinking of the directions and you're not actively pushing and pulling to do the directions. Allowing the neck to be free for the directions to come forwards into your face and into the top of your head, so that the whole back can lengthen and widen. Your knees are pointing up towards the ceiling. And having the support of the feet on the floor. Allow yourself to expand three-dimensionally into the room. Your tailbone is moving away from your head. Shoulders are moving away from each other. The shoulders moving away from the elbow. Elbow away from the wrist. And wrist away from the fingers. Again, tailbone moving away from the head. The back is moving away from your knees. Knees are pointing up towards the ceiling. And having the support of the feet on the floor. Allowing the heel to move away from the toes into width and expansion. Allow yourself to come into your full length and width, knowing where the top of your head is and where your feet are. Knowing where your shoulders are, where your elbows are, where your knees, and where your hips are. When you are ready, you can slowly turn onto one side and push yourself up and come on up into standing. However, you can choose to lay in the semi-supine position for a few more minutes if you like to. Just take notice of the way you stand up, so keep the intention of wanting to maintain the width and length and expansion as you come up into standing. And knowing that you can take this length and expansion into your daily activities and daily routine. And noticing what different stresses and stimulus throughout your day may do to you. And know that you always have the choice to be centered, come back to yourself, redirect, and make a conscious decision of how you would want to respond to the different tasks or stimulus throughout the day. This is the end of the audio talk.